Hi, I am Rodin Ahmed. Welcome to our Facebook page Born in Soil and YouTube channel Born in Soil. Today I solve a new problem which is from sequence, and this is the question number 76, JEE Mains 2019 9th January morning sheet. So how to find the solution of this type of problem? So now let's start. The question is limit root under 1 plus root under 1 plus y to the power 4 minus root 2 by y to the power 4. Find the value of this function and limit y tends to 0. So first we know one thing, 1 plus x to the power n equivalent to 1 plus nx where x less than 1. Now start limit y tends to 0. 1 plus y to the power 4 under root 4 to the power root minus root 2 by y to the power 4. So here you see that 1 plus y to the power 4 under root, that means 1 plus y to the power 4 into 1 by 2. So this can be written in the form this, which is equivalent to. So limit y tends to 0, 1 plus 1 y to the power 4 into half under root minus root 2 by y to the power 4. Next, limit y tends to 0, 2 plus y to the power 4 by 2 minus root 2 by y to the power 4. Next we write here this equal to limit y tends to 0. We common root 2 from this term, so root 2 minus root 2 under root 1 plus y to the power 4 by 4 minus root 2 by y to the power 4. So limit y tends to 0, and this value again can be written in the form, that means 1 plus nx, that is 1 plus y to the power 4 into 1 by 2, and this root 2 and this root 2 common from these two terms, so we get 1 plus y by 4 into half minus 1 by y to the power 4, and this one and this one cancel out. Limit y tends to 0, so root 2 into y to the power 4 by 8 by y to the power 4. This y to the power and this y to the power cancel out, so we can write limit y tends to 0, root 2 by 8, that means root 2 by 8, and this can be written also in the form root 2 into 4. So this root 2 and this root 2 cancel out, we get 1 by 4 root 2. So A is the right answer. And the next problem, hi, this is the question number 84. This is the second problem. The question is let A1, A2, A3, A30 B and AP. A is equal to summation over I equal to 1 to 30 AI and T equal to summation over I equal to 1 to 15 A 2I minus 1. If A5 equal to 27 and S minus 2T equal to 75, then find A10. That means this element. So here you see that this element A1, A2, A3, A30 being AP. That means they are in arithmetic progression, and this S equal to this sum. So first we write, this is the given condition B and AP. So we can write nth term of the sequence A1 plus n minus 1 into D. A1 is the first element of the sequence, and this is the nth term, and D is the common difference. So this formula is very important for the problem. Now given S equal to summation I equal to 1 to 30. So here, so A1 plus A2 plus A3 A30. Again T equal to given summation I equal to 1 to 15 A 2I minus 1. That means A1 for I equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 1. For I equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. That means A3, A5 similarly, A7. We get the last term A15. That means 2 into 15, 30, 30 minus 1, that is 29. So the last term A29. So we get T equal to this. Now we multiply by 2 because here S minus 2T equal to 75. So we multiply 2 this T. So we get 2T equal to 2A1, 2A3, 2A5 up to 2A29. Now we subtract S minus 2T. That means this minus this. So we get here. This is the A1 term. A1 minus 2A1. That is minus A1. Here you see that this is A2, but there is no A2 here. So we arranging the term A2 minus A1. Again A3 minus 2A3, that is minus A3, but A4 is here but not here. So you can write A4 minus A3. Similarly, we can write all the term in the form. Here you see that S series last term A30, this is even term. So A30 minus A29. Now for n equal to 2, A2 equal to A1 plus 2 minus 1 into D. For n equal to 2, so we get A1 plus now calculate A2 minus A1. So A1 plus D minus A1. So this A1, this one cancel out, we get D. So A2 minus A1 equal to D. Similarly, we get A4 minus A3, we get D. For all the term, all the fellows we get D. So here we get 15D. 15D. Also given this value equal to 75. This is S minus 2T equal to 75. So here we put 75 and 15 and 70 cancel out, so we get 5, and D equal to finally we get 5. This is the common difference of the sequence. Again, so finally on my hand one value D equal to 5. D equal to 5. Now A5, we are putting here n equal to 5, so we get A1 plus 5 minus 1 into D. A1 4 into D. A5 equal to given, this is 27. So 27 A1 4 into D. D equal to 5. That means 4 into 5 20. 27 minus 20, that is A1 equal to 7. A1 equal to 7. Now we find the term A10. So we put n equal to 10. A10 equal to A1 plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A1 equal to 7 plus 9 into D equal to 5. 7 plus 45, that means 52. So this element equal to 52. So we see that A is the right answer. And the third problem, this is the question number 89. This problem comes JEE Mains 2019, 9th January morning sheet. So the question is, three circles of radius ABC, where A less than B less than C. That means the circle with radius ABC, that is A less than B and B less than C, touch each other externally, if they have x axis as a common tangent, then which of the relation is true? So when we consider three circles, this is C1 with center this and radius A. This is the circle C2 with radius B. This is the circle C3 with radius C. And we see that OX is the line which is the common tangent, and these three circles touch externally at the point this and this, and these three circles touches the axes at A, B, C respectively. So first we find length of the common tangent of the circle C1 and C2, that is AB. That is AB. We know the formula A plus B on the square minus A minus B square in the whole root. Similarly we find the length of the common tangent of the circle C1 and C3 equal to BC. So we get similarly BC equal to A minus A plus C minus A minus C under square. Again, we find the length of the common tangent of the circle C2 and C3, which is equal to AC. We get B plus C square minus B minus C under square. We now calculate all the values. I will see that A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB, that means A square B square cancel out. So we get only this value 2AB plus 2AB, that means 4AB under root. This is equal to 2 root AB. Again, so similarly we get here 4AC, that means 2 root AC, and this is equal to 4 BC equal to 2 root BC. Again we see that the figure AB, this line AC equal to AB plus BC. So AC equal to this 2 root BC, AB equal to 2 root AB, and BC equal to 2 root BC. 2 cancel out from right and left side, so we get, and dividing the whole condition under root ABC. ABC ABC plus root under ABC. So here we see that the root BC and the root BC cancel out. So we get the final result 1 by root A equal to 1 by root C plus 1 by root B. And we will check the condition, this condition. So A is the right answer. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and Facebook page Board in Soil for next update. Thank you.